Good morning everyone. So welcome back. In the last video we saw about the techniques of multiplication by 11 and 15. I hope you have understood that. If there are any queries you can WhatsApp me and ask. Okay, please don't call. Okay beta, so you can WhatsApp me anytime. I will surely answer you on WhatsApp. So in this video now we are going to learn about the solving of word problems of multiplication. So we are doing exercise 3.3 here. Let's start with the question. Always remember that in the sums for multiplication, the sum will have the amount given for one thing and they will ask you the amount for multiple things, that is more number of things. Okay, so in multiplication it is always that one cost or one thing's quantity, whatever it is, will be given and you will be asked to find out the amount or quantity for many other things, many number of things. सो एक की अगर वैल्यू दी है और बहुत सारे चीज़ों की वैल्यू निकालनी है, in that case you always multiply. So just let's start with our exercise and read our sum number 1. Sum number 1 says, a farmer sold 5,450 kg of wheat on a particular day. How much will he sell in 248 days? So as I told you, he has given the sold amount of wheat on one day. Particular day means any one day. Okay, so on one day he sold 5,450 kg of wheat. You have to find out what he sold in 240 days. One day is given, 248 days is asked. So as I told you, एक दिन का दिया है, बहुत सारे दूसरे दिनों का निकालना है. So what you do is multiply. So in this case, how are we supposed to write? Let's see. First things, since it is a word problem, you will first write down the statement. Whatever is given, you have to write that. So wheat sold in one day. Okay, this is one day amount. So in one day the wheat sold is 5,450 kg. Okay, they are asking you how much would he sell in 248 days. So wheat sold in 248 days is equals to how much? So this is what is given and this is what you have to find out. So one day is given, many you have to find out. So in this case we multiply. So you have to multiply 5,450 by 248. So let's start multiplying. First we start from the ones place. 8 zeros are 0, 8 fives are 40, 8 fours are 32, 32 plus 4, 36, 8 fives are 40 again, 40 plus 3, 43. Compulsory 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 fives are 20, 4 fours are 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 4 fives are 20 again, plus 1, 21. Compulsory 2 zeros. Now 2 zeros are 0, 2 fives are 10, 2 fives are 10, 2 fours are 8, plus 1, 9, 2 fives are 10 again. So let's add 0, 0, 6, 11, 4, 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 5, 15, 3 and 1 here. So our answer is 13,51,600 kg. Since it is wheat, isn't it? Wheat ka what is the unit? Kg. So you have to write the sum here, the statement here, sorry. Therefore, what is the question? How much would he sell in 248 days? So, farmer will sell 13,51,600 kg in 248 days. This is my final answer. So in this way we have to write what is given, what we have to find, then solve, and then again the statement. Okay, so in this way you should answer your statement or word problems. Okay, so just look at the format. This is how you solve a word problem, beta. Okay, now let's move on to the second one. Find the cost of 265 toy cars if each one costs rupees 1490. Okay, now they have given you the cost of one. Each one is 1490. One is given and 265 toy cars cost is asked. So since I told you one will be given and many will be asked, that is when you multiply. So again you have to multiply 1490 by 265. This will give you the cost of the toys. Okay, so in second sum again you have to multiply. I am not writing the statement and everything here. I am just going through the word problems and making you understand. Okay, so you have to solve this sum like this only. You have to write the statement, write the multiplication and the final answer as well. Okay, now let's move on to the third sum. A retail store has 4,352 bags of rice, each weighing 125 kg. Find the total weight of the bags in the store. Again, each weighing means one. Okay, one bag weighs 125 kg. There are 4,352 bags and they are asking the total bags weight. So one is given and many are asked. So one bag is having the weight of 125 kg. They are asking the weight of 4,352 bags. So again multiply and get the answer. Okay. Now in the fourth sum, Rakesh paid a house loan of 9,860 in the form of a monthly installment for 144 months. Now what is a house loan? House loan यानी हम पैसे उधार लेते हैं. Okay, from the bank. That is called a loan. So 9,860 Rakesh was paying every month, and this way he paid the amount 9,860 for 144 month. एक month में 9,860 रुपीज़ वो पे करता था और ऐसे उसने 144 months के लिए पे किए हैं. So he also spent 2,45,800 towards the insurance of the house. और उसने और एक खर्चा या एक्सपेंडिचर ही हैज़ डन, दैट इज़ उसने इंश्योरेंस भी लिया है. इंश्योरेंस इज़ you pay the money to a insurance agency, and when there is a problem or something happens to your house, then the insurance company pays you the money back. Okay, ऐसे करके हम इंश्योरेंस लेते हैं. सो ऐसे ही राकेश ने इंश्योरेंस भी लिया है हाउस के लिए. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड आउट द टोटल अमाउंट स्पेंट बाय हिम. दे आर आस्किंग यू कि राकेश ने पूरा जो खर्चा किया है वो कितना है. ओके, हिंट इज फाइंड द टोटल हाउस लोन and add the insurance amount to it. So what we have to do is, first we have to find the house loan. As I told you, house loan में he has paid monthly rupees 9860, isn't it? So let's write that down first. That amount of loan paid, or you can simply write loan paid every month or 1 month. Loan paid in 1 month is equals to rupees 9860. So you want to find out the amount of loan paid in 144 months. एक मंथ का पता है, 144 months के लिए कितना? So what you do? Yes, you multiply 9860 multiply by 144. You have to do this. You will get the answer for the amount of loan paid. Then in the hint they have given you that जो भी लोन पे किया है वो उसको हमें इंश्योरेंस का जो मनी है वो ऐड कर देना है. It will give you the total amount he has spent. So this was the amount he spent for loan. ये लोन की अमाउंट हो गई. इसमें हम इंश्योरेंस का जो था वो ऐड करेंगे, दैट इज़ 2,45,800. So to this answer you will add this and together you will get the total amount paid. Okay, so first multiply and then add the answer to this number. You get the total amount paid for the house. Okay, the total amount spent by Rakesh. ये आंसर होगा total amount spent by Rakesh. Okay, let's move on. A farmer cultivated 46,580 kg of rice and sold the rice at the rate of 39 rupees for 1 kg. He deposited rupees 3,78,900